Hey everybody, summertime is here, it's June, and I've got an abundance of tomatoes. Now, I'm eating tomato sandwiches every day. I've already put up a whole bunch of diced tomatoes. I'm gonna dry some tomatoes, but today I'm also going to use some of the blemished tomatoes and make tomato sauce, and then can it. These nasty tomatoes can actually be used for sauce if you cut away the bad spots. So I got a whole bunch of kind of old tomatoes. I'm gonna cut those up, put them in the food processor. Be back in just a minute. All right, I sliced them up and I put them in the food processor. You'll notice that I leave the skins on. And the other thing is, I don't use one particular type of tomato. I just throw all sorts of tomatoes in here. If you know me, you know that I don't measure anything. So I diced up a really big onion and a bunch of garlic, and I'm going to basically brown it up and get it nice and caramelized in some olive oil. One of the keys in making really good sauce, fresh herbs. So this is fresh basil and fresh oregano. I'm going to mix it in with the tomatoes as I'm pureeing them. Skins and all, seeds and all. Now this will go in the pan with those onions. Molly's helping. Yeah, smelling good, huh? All right, I'm just gonna keep doing this with bunches and bunches and bunches of tomatoes. All right, a little bit of some crushed red pepper. I like it a little spicy. And then salt, just however much you want to your taste. But I would estimate maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons for this amount. And now let's bring it to a simmer. You want to make sure you stir it on occasion to keep it from burning on the bottom of the pan. All right, here's the finished sauce. I like it really thick, really chunky. All right, let's give this a try. OMG. That's the best batch ever. So sweet, tangy, complex. The oregano and the basil's coming through. Oh my God, that is the best sauce I literally have ever had in my entire life. It's worth the effort. It is. And you can either eat this as is, but what I'm gonna do is go ahead and can it using my pressure canner. Now you'll notice how much water loss there was. So I'd say it's been reduced to about 1/3 of its original volume, and it took about 3 hours. The canner has cooled down, come down in pressure. And here is our finished canned tomato sauce. Yeah. A couple more jars to go. Oh, that'll be good on pizza, homemade pasta. Those cold winter months, I'll be thinking of those tomatoes.